Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn off a burglar alarm in just a few simple steps. So first of all, the fastest solution for you to turn it off is usually the simplest one. You just have to simply go to the alarm keypad and then you just have to enter your user code or your master code over here. So on most of the alarm systems, this particular step immediately silences the siren and disarms the system. Even after doing this, the alarm stops but starts beeping again. You just have to simply take a look at this particular keypad display. Now many systems shows you the messages like low battery or tamper or AC failure or communication fault. So these types of warnings often explain why the alarm activated in the first place. So if you are certain that it is a false alarm and the system isn't responding properly, you can just simply locate the alarm's fused spur or the power switch. So you just have to turn the switch off briefly, then wait for a few seconds and then restore the power. Now, many of the alarm panels reboot and clear temporary faults after a restart. Now, you can also check the backup battery. So, a failing backup battery inside the control panel can also trigger the random beeping and the siren events, especially after a power cut. So, if the battery is several years old, I highly recommend you to replace it with the new one. So, you can try these easy fixes and see if the alarm turns off. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.